Hello guys. Today, we are going to cover 5 best cameras with film in the market, which are the best for you considering some valid reasons that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. For more info and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, make sure to check the links in the description below. Let's start. Number 1. Our top pick is Fujifilm Instax Mini 11 Instant Camera. Introducing the Fujifilm Instax Mini 11 Instant Camera, the perfect way to instantly capture memories with your friends and family. This stylish and compact device uses Fujifilm Instax Mini Instant Film to produce credit card-sized prints, perfect for sharing and displaying. Featuring a simple, intuitive design, the Instax Mini 11 has an automatic exposure function that adjusts shutter speed and flash to optimize the lighting of your photos. Its selfie mirror allows you to check your framing before you take the shot, while the close-up lens attachment allows you to take photos as close as 30 to 60 centimeters away. With its long-lasting rechargeable battery and fun new accessories, the Fujifilm Instax Mini 11 Instant Camera is the perfect way to create and share your special moments. Pros: compact size and lightweight make it easy to carry and travel with. Automatic exposure control makes it easy to take good shots even in low-light environments. Selfie mirrors and close-up lenses allow you to take great close-up shots. Built-in flash for bright and vibrant photos. Blush pink color is stylish and trendy. Cons: limited range of shooting modes and settings. No option for digital prints. Expensive film packs compared to digital cameras. Number 2. Our second best pick is Polaroid Originals Now I-Type Instant Camera. The Polaroid Originals Now I-Type Instant Camera is the perfect way to capture and preserve life's moments. This camera is designed for instant photo gratification, so you can enjoy your photos immediately after you take them. With a classic design and modern features, this camera is perfect for those who want to relive the nostalgia of classic Polaroid cameras. Its fixed focus lens lets you snap sharp, vibrant photos in an instant. It also has a range of manual settings, allowing you to experiment and create amazing photos with ease. Its built-in flash ensures great photos even in low-light conditions. Plus, its battery-free operation means you'll never have to worry about running out of juice. So, if you're looking for a convenient way to capture your memories, the Polaroid Originals Now I-Type Instant Camera is the perfect choice. Pros: easy to use. High-quality photos. Lightweight and compact. Prints photos instantly. Film cartridges are easy to replace. Cons: expensive film cartridges. Short battery life. Limited features compared to digital cameras. Number 3. Our third best pick is Fujifilm Instax Square SQ1 Instant Camera. The Fujifilm Instax Square SQ1 Instant Camera is the perfect camera for capturing those special moments. It has a modern design with a sleek, compact body that is easy to carry around. The camera has a built-in flash and a self-timer mode, so you can capture the perfect selfie or group shot. It also has an automated exposure control that adjusts to your lighting conditions, ensuring you get the best results. With a 2.4-inch LCD monitor, you can view and easily share your photos with friends and family. The Instax Square SQ1 produces high-quality prints on its credit card-sized instant film, and it comes with a 10-pack of film to get you started. Get ready to capture and share your memories with the Fujifilm Instax Square SQ1 Instant Camera. Pros: compact and lightweight design. Features a self-timer for group shots. Offers a variety of fun and creative modes. Includes a selfie mirror for taking self-portraits. Comes with a close-up lens attachment. Uses Fujifilm's square format, Instax film. Simple operation and easy to use. Cons: only one shutter speed setting. Uses a fixed focus lens. Limited shooting range. Uses expensive Instax film. No flash or image stabilization. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Fujifilm QuickSnap Flash 400 one-time use camera. The Fujifilm QuickSnap Flash 400 one-time use camera is the perfect choice for capturing special memories without the hassle of worrying about batteries or film. Its lightweight, pocket-sized design makes it easy to take anywhere, and its 27mm lens and flash can capture great quality photos in any lighting condition. The camera is preloaded with 400 ASA Fuji Color Superia XTRA film that can produce vibrant, sharp, and clear images. It also has a built-in lens cover and self-timer, as well as a built-in flash that can be used up to 8 feet away. With the Fujifilm QuickSnap Flash 400 one-time use camera, you can capture life's precious moments with ease and confidence. Pros: easy to use, low cost, compact and lightweight, built-in flash, preloaded with 27 exposures. Cons: low quality images, unable to adjust camera settings, limited use, only 27 exposures. Number 5. Our fifth best pick is Lomography Diana F Plus Medium Format Camera. The Lomography Diana F Plus Medium Format Camera with flash is a classic camera with a modern twist. Combining the classic design of the original Diana with the creative features and advanced technology of a modern camera, this device gives you the best of both worlds. With its easy-to-use controls and simple operation, this camera is perfect for anyone who wants the vintage look with the modern features of a digital camera. The fixed focal length lens provides a classic vintage look and can produce sharp, crisp images. The multiple exposure function allows you to take multiple exposures in a single frame, while the built-in flash will give you the lighting you need in any situation. The Diana F Plus is an essential tool for anyone who loves to capture the beauty of life in a unique way. Pros: compact and lightweight design, produces vibrant, sharp images. Accessory kit includes a flash and multiple lens options. Built-in multiple exposure capability. User-friendly design. Cons: no LCD screen to preview photos. Manual film loading and winding can be challenging. Limited features compared to other digital cameras. Make sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback. Have a great day.